What's up guys, this is Oswaldo from Rock Entry. Welcome to week 12 of my climbing training series. Alright, it's been 12 freaking weeks now. I am so excited and I don't know man, this is crazy for me. It's been a really good ride so far. So let's keep this flow going and let's get started. Let's do this. Done and done for week 12. Yes, alright guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe so you can follow along. Alright, let's keep this momentum going, and I'll see you guys next week.